Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on this 2005 Grand Caravan. I'm going to be swapping out the headlights because, as you can tell, they're pretty pitted and fogged up, and they both leak and let a bunch of water in, which is not the best. Alrighty, let's get moving. Alright, the first thing we're going to be doing is removing these three 8mm bolts. Alright, let's get moving. Next, we're going to just slide this headlight right out. Being careful with your wires. Just unclip everything. And there you have it. This old headlight is out, and as you could tell, let me get in close, it's all condensated on the inside, and it's just, damaged. Alright, let's get the new part in here to see what it looks like. And here we have it, a brand new headlight that looks pretty awesome, if you don't mind me saying so. Alright, and to reinstall, we are just going to do everything in reverse. Alright, let's get moving. Alright, and to get the other side done, you basically repeat the exact same steps over again. Alright, let me get the other side done and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, and that is it. Both of the headlights are installed. You can't really tell because of it being daylight, but they're both on, and both the blinkers are on, the hazards. Let me see if I can get closer so you guys can tell. See? It is on. There we go. Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys take care out there in this epidemic we've got going on. And yeah, see you guys next time. Take care.